Let's see how we can install NetBeans 19 and run some sample Java code. First, go to this URL. You can copy this URL from the link in the description below and just click on download. In this installers and packages, select first one for Windows. Now click on this one and your download will start. So as you can see here, we are downloading NetBeans 19. Once the download is complete, click on open file to open the installation wizard. Now if it asks you if you want to allow installation, click on yes. So as you can see, the wizard is now open, and by default we will be installing NetBeans for all these languages. Click next, accept the terms in the license agreement, click next again, and this is the default path where NetBeans will be installed, and we will be using JDK21. Click next again, uncheck this and click install. And our installation has started. Now the installation is complete. Click finish, press Windows key and type NetBeans. And as you can see, we see Apache NetBeans IDE 19 here. Click on this and your NetBeans will start opening. Now let's create a new project. So you can try a sample project or take a tour, but we will just create a new project and we will use Java application with Maven and just click next. It will load for a while. Let's call this test project. No need to change anything for now. Click finish and your Java project will be created. As you can see, the test class is created here and we have this test code here. Now we can run this by clicking on this button. Let's see what happens. As you can see, hello world is printed. Now you can close this and you can write all your code here. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.